Welcome back, friends. Today we're playing 5 fun winter mini-games. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, it's I Spy. Look closely at the picture. Can you find all 7 hidden Christmas objects? You'll have 30 seconds. Point to them or say them out loud when you find them. Great job. Did you find them all? Our next game is Spot the Difference. Can you find the one that doesn't match? You have 15 seconds. Let's try another one. Can you find it before the time runs out? You have 15 seconds. Now it's time to play Whose Footprints? Look at the footprints in the snow. Who do you think made them? Round 1. Whose footprints are these? It's Santa. Round 2. Who made these footprints? It's a reindeer. Round 3. This one looks a little different. Can you guess who's left this print? It's a snowman. Last one. Who made these tiny footprints in the snow? It's an elf. Great guessing. Next game. What's that sound? Listen carefully and guess what's making the sound. What sound do you hear? That's a Christmas bell. What about this sound? It's a fireplace crackling. Last sound, listen closely.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
It's Santa Claus. We've made it to our last game. Guess the gift. I'll give you 2 clues and you try to guess what the present is. For our first gift, clue 1, it's soft. Clue 2, you can hug it. It's a teddy bear. Next gift. Clue 1, you wear them. Clue 2, they keep your feet warm. Cozy socks. Next one. Clue 1, you can build with them. Clue 2, they come in many pieces. It's building blocks. Our last gift. Clue 1, it has wheels. Clue 2, it goes vroom. It's a toy car. You did such a great job playing our winter games. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Gems. Thanks for playing and we'll see you next time. Bye, friends.